If I wanted to make $1 million in the next year in the fastest way possible, this is exactly how I would do it. Now listen closely, you don't want to miss this. I would create multiple online stores that are making a minimum of $3,000 to $6,000 profit per month, and then I would turn around, list them on empireflippers.com and sell them for hundreds of thousands of dollars. Just like these guys created in 2021, selling for $215,000 with a $6,000 net profit. That's only about 10 to 12 sales per day. Now, how do you do that? Let me show you. I love selling my products on Google shopping ads. And how you want to do this is you want to make sure the product is actually going to sell. You want to check the search volume of the product and make sure it's at a minimum of 30,000 between one keyword or multiple keywords. Then I would go to Google Trends and make sure that this product is consistent throughout the year when it comes to its sales. From there, I would create a Shopify account so I could start building my online store. Then I would create an awesome landing page, super simple, no coding necessary, drag and drop through Shopify. Once that's done, I would start advertising my product on Google Shopping ads to drive traffic to my store and start getting sales. Once you have grown your store to a minimum of $3,000 to $6,000 profit per month, you could turn around and sell it on Empire Flippers. Rinse and repeat and create multiple stores to get close to $1 million in the next year.